Hitting the pause button on this testimony so we can bring in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, thank you for being on with us. They just mentioned Jeffrey Hayes. Let's talk about Mr. Hayes because he's not on the stand. We're seeing him potentially being involved in the aftermath of this stabbing, according to the prosecution. Where is he? Why isn't he on the stand, in your opinion?
He might have just telegraphed to them that he doesn't plan on testifying or probably taking the fifth, because at the end of the day, I feel like his hands are almost just as dirty as the defendant, if in fact she did this. So anytime that you have a person who could potentially be a co-conspirator or an accessory after the fact, it's very, very difficult to bring them in to testify. Even if another option might be that he telegraphed to them that his testimony would not corroborate their version of the story, or it might corroborate her version of the story. He's a wild card, and the prosecution probably feels they have enough to convict, and they don't want to bring in a wild card and make a mess of the whole trial.